Hello guys, we are here in HSC laboratory. So here's the safety rules in the laboratory. We must follow the safety rules, and as you can see, we have a male reproductive system and a bone, respiratory system, human heart, human brain, and as you can see, we have a science and invention box, and we have a microscope. And dito po.
Well, the question is, why are you most excited to try in this laboratory? Well, I'm excited because, as you can see in this lab, we have different topic like respiratory system and microscope. And the second question is, what skills do you expect to gain from this? Well, more knowledge and wisdom for our body and brain and DNA on how it is work in our body. How will these skills help you in your criminology journey and future career? Well, I see this as a big impact on my dream because we need to balance everything. It is very important that we know how the brain works and the heart works. It is necessary to take care of all this so that life can go well. And in fact, I need to improve myself, especially since I am a law enforcement officer. When I see meat or anything else in human body, it will no longer bother me. Thank you.